Hi guys, thanks for clicking this video, and this is the updated 2026 how to file your LLC in the state of Florida. And I'm going to make this process super fast and easy. If you've watched any previous videos, I want to cut out any of the BS and get right to filing your LLC and making it as cheap as possible. So start by clicking the link in the description, and basically I'm going to be showing you on my screen at the same time you follow along on your screen. So maybe you can have me, playing on your phone or have a separate tab on the side of your computer, but it's best if you could see this another screen at the same time. That way by the end of this video, you will have your LLC filed. So again, click the link in the description and let's get started. So we're going to start by going to the Tailor Brands website. Tailor Brands makes filing an LLC very fast and easy. And it's very user friendly, so there's not going to be a lot of confusing stuff, and there's no brain work. It's very straightforward. So we're going to start by clicking Florida. And you're going to type in the name of your business. My business is Lash Extensions, so I'm going to type it in. And just important that you write the name correctly here, because you won't be able to change this part. So any capital letters or spaces, just make sure it's correct. And as far as an industry, if you're not sure, they have some suggestions, and they literally have 100 million options on here. So I'm going to type in eyelash extensions, and boom, there it is. This question it's not too important, so just click what applies for you. If you've run a business before, and if you know how many owners will own the LLC. So is it just you, or maybe you're going to add a partner? Again, this can change and it's not a problem. So how did you discover Tailor Brands? We're going to click YouTube. Okay, just hit next. And now you're going to type in your personal information. And create a password. All right, are you guys getting bored yet? Because we're already 1/3 of the way through. We only have 2 sections left. So stick with me. This is too fast. You probably didn't even realize you were working already, but you were. So we're almost done. So now, getting your EIN number. The EIN number is basically like the social security number of your business. So you're going to need it, especially in your first year of business. And it's just another way to really keep your personal life and your personal assets separate from your business. So if you want to save some money, you can click handle it yourself. If you'd like Tailor Brands to do it for you and do literally all of the work, so you have to do nothing, you can click this option. It costs $100 or maybe $99. So if you decide you want to save that $99, I'm going to show you exactly how to file your EIN, and you can decide for yourself if you want to do it. So this would be through the IRS website. So you're going to type IRS EIN. Okay, hold on. They're making sure I'm not a robot. Motorcycles. Okay, so let's see. We're going to click this first one. This takes us to the IRS website. Now keep in mind, on the IRS website, you can only file Monday through Friday, business hours 9 to 5. Why would it be business hours since it's a website? I have no idea. And begin application. Now, again, on the IRS website, it is free to file your EIN, but it is not very user-friendly. You kind of just have to figure this out for yourself. I'll kind of start it off, and you can see some questions. Okay, as you can see, it's already stressing me out. It just seems like a lot of information. So totally up to you if you want to do it like that. I'm going to have Tailor Brands do it for me so I don't have to think about it. And every single year you have to renew your LLC. Now this is no matter what state that you live in or file in. This is just part of having a business in this country. So if you'd like Tailor Brands to renew your LLC for you every year, it is $199. Definitely a little bit more pricey, but it does take that, give you that peace of mind. You don't have to worry about it. If you want to renew it yourself, you can click I'll handle the compliance, and you will get notified, like emails and notification to renew your LLC. So it's not like it's gonna, sneak up and you're gonna have no idea about it. I feel like it's, worth it to just do it yourself. But again, if you don't feel like stressing about it, totally a good option up here. And let's skip on this one just to save some money. And you guys, if you'd like to get your LLC in just one day, you can click this. And if you want to wait for 2 weeks, it is free. So expedited processing, I think, is $99. And to get it in 2 weeks is completely free. It's totally up to you if you have a time frame or a budget. Definitely a nice option to have that one day. If you're not pressed for time, get the free option. Why not? And an operating agreement, it's good to have if you're working by yourself, but it is absolutely essential if you have partners or if you're thinking of getting partners in the long run. So it's going to kind of break down the responsibilities and the ownership of the business. So if you and your partner happen to have some, maybe a falling out, or maybe not even that extreme, you just have some confusion about your job duties or who owns what percentage of the business, that operating agreement is going to come in super handy for you. So there's going to be no questions down the long run. This is just another way to protect yourself and your business as well. So if you'd like to get your operating agreement, just click this first option. And the formation kit, this is basically a binder that you can get that has all the paperwork in it that you need. So, some things for doing taxes, finances, monthly planner. If you want to get really organized, this is a good way to start. Now, I already have my monthly planner, and it's working for me, so I'm not going to get it. But if you're serious about getting very organized, you don't have a system out yet, highly, highly recommend this. Keeps it all in one place, and I think it's also $100 or $99. Okay, now this is a new feature from Tailor Brands where you can open a free bank account and manage your business. So I love this option. I'm going to click get a free account. So basically what this is it's going to open a free checking account for you. And the reason you would want a separate account from your personal, there's a lot of benefits to it. That's kind of the reason you're doing the LLC, right? It's to keep your personal assets and your, all your personal stuff separate from your business. So if someone tries to sue you down the line, or maybe your business does really well or doesn't do really well, it's keeping everything separate. And let's just say you have one bank account for your business and personal, right? Maybe you have a partner, maybe you don't, and you're making money, you're profiting from your business, and then you're also spending on your personal. So you're like, oh, I need to get groceries today. Oh, I need to, I'm going to go out to dinner this weekend. Now the lines are starting to get blurred and it's getting really confusing, and you're not going to really know how much you're exactly making because you're kind of blending the two things together. So whether you do it through Tailor Brands or through a different bank, I highly, highly recommend to get those separate bank accounts, business and personal. Okay, and this is just to get a notification. You'll get a text about the status of your LLC. It is free. And okay, you guys, we are at section 3 of 3. We're basically done. So stick with me for 2 more minutes. We're going to click see other options here. So I just want you guys to check out all these options you have. So the light plan means you're not paying for anything extra besides your LLC and anything else you clicked, such as EIN, and any other, whatever else I said that you could click or not click. If you selected it, that would be included, but you're not paying anything extra. In these additional 2 plans, you do pay additional, but something like this, you're getting a website created or coaching programs, bookkeeping. So it's good options to have. I mean, listen, $250 and you're getting your whole professional website created. If you go pay someone to create a website for you, it's going to cost significantly more than that. So unless you're good at creating a website on your own, definitely recommend to consider or check these out. But for today, we're selecting the light plan because, we just want to file the LLC, save some money. And here's the breakdown of what we're paying for. So this Florida state filing fee is $130. And now this is, no matter what state you live in, there's always going to be a filing fee. And Florida for 2026 is always going to be $130. Now, next year it could be cheaper. Next year it might be more. It does fluctuate from year to year. And all right, so our operate agreement, we're paying $99. If you decide, you know what, don't really need it right now, just unselect that. And you could see these options. If you decide you do want something, you could just turn it on or off. We're getting that free option for bookkeeping, and then after that, you're paying $30. So if you think you might forget and you don't want that option, just unselect. Here we're getting our bank account opened for free, and your EIN number is $99 if you want them to file your EIN. So your total for today is $130. That is the LLC price only. Once your LLC is processed and created, then you will be charged the EIN. So don't be surprised when you see that charge. It is correct. It's just like a two-step process. Okay, now you're going to go to pay. They're also going to ask the address you want to use. Now, of course, if you have a storefront, you can use that address. And if you don't, like I'm mobile, I always use my home address. It's never been an issue. I've done this a few times. It's literally, I don't get spam or junk mail, anything like that. It's just for them to have on file if they need to contact you about your LLC. And if you're not comfortable using your home address for some reason, you could look up how to get a virtual address. But again, I would recommend to do your home address. It's not, how do I say, it's not really that serious. It's almost like if you go to an appointment and give your phone number, it's just for them to have on file. Okay, you guys, that's it. You have just filed your LLC in Florida. I hope this was super fast and easy for you guys, but if you do have any questions about anything we've discussed, please leave it in the comments below, and I'd love to talk to you about it. And yeah, this process, this should be the easiest part of starting your business. Starting a business is a huge feat to take on and a huge accomplishment. So be proud of yourself that you've made it this far. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, if you have questions, leave them below, and I'll see you in the next one.